To grow and care for ostrich fern. Follow these steps. Find a location in your garden that offers partial shade and has moist, well-drained soil. Ostrich ferns prefer damp soil and are known to grow well in wetlands, along streams and rivers, and in shady woodlands. Fertilize the fern once a month during the growing season with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Cut off any brown or damaged fronds as they appear, but avoid cutting into the crown of the plant. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, such as slugs and powdery mildew, and treat them promptly if found. During winter, protect the crowns from excessive cold and drying winds by applying a dry mulch. Divide the ferns every 3 to 4 years to maintain the vigor of the plant. Ostrich ferns are hardy and can survive in most climates in USDA Zones 3 to 8, so no need to protect them during winter. Note, ostrich ferns have a slow growth rate. It can take a few years to reach maturity. Once they are mature, they can grow up to 6 feet tall and 4 feet wide.